Hello everyone, this is Brandon with Portable Technology Solutions, and in this video we're going to go over reviewing and reconciling audits in the PTS CountQwik cloud. This process would consist of us reviewing the audits that we've submitted from our mobile device in the CountQwik cloud, just reviewing any of the changes that we've made to our inventory, that they're all accurate. Once we've confirmed that everything is accurate and up to date, we would reconcile that selected audit, and then we can export that over into our database. So let's jump right in to the CountQwik cloud. So we're going to start off on the cloud homepage here, and from our dashboard we're going to head over to Manage Audits. And as you can see on the Manage Audits page, we have the audit header right here, and standard with the CountQwik cloud, these are going to be pre-filled to show active audits only. So what that means is that any audit that has the status of in progress will be displayed at the very top. That means that these audits have not either been reviewed or closed out yet. So what we can do is we can click on these audits to look at the individual items and the actions and transactions that have been performed in those audits, like the quantity entries, and whether or not there are any discrepancies. As you can see in the cycle count and the full audit that I already have in here, these are all matching. There's no discrepancies. There's no variance between what our expected quantity is and what we actually had in our quantities. So that means that these are all ready to go and be reconciled. Another thing you can check to see on the audit page and in the audit items, if you had a long list of items and had someone perform and post an inventory scan or cycle count, if you wanted to sort out items specifically by ones that had variance, you could check off variance only. And in, of course, the event that there is no variance or discrepancy, if we check this off, this should be blank. So from here, it's as simple as going over to, say, our full audit, hitting reconcile, and it's going to ask if we want to confirm this reconcile. We will say OK, and it says that our audit is successfully reconciled. Now, if we wanted to go back and look at that audit to say, maybe there were changes that need to be made or we closed it out prematurely, all we need to do is just uncheck active audits, and you can see that it actually keeps records of all of the previous audits that we've entered and that have reconciled. So if you needed to go back and view every single transaction or audit that's been entered into CountQwik, you could do that as well, but standard is going to be just showing the active audits only and the ones that still need to be closed out. If we wanted to go over to it, we could go over to the full audit that we performed, click on that, and then if we wanted to, we could just export these audits to an Excel sheet and then have that record there for us. So that's a quick and easy overview on how to review and reconcile your audits in the PTS CountQwik cloud. Take care.